Hi, welcome. Now, this is the series of in-depth explanation of paper 1, that is general paper on teaching and research aptitude. And we are going to use bottoms up method, which is we are going to go from December 2004 to all the way up to the latest. Each video will contain one question with in-depth explanation. All you have to do is catch up with us. Alright, paper number 1, December 2004. Question number 1. Discussion method can be used when option A, topic is very difficult, option B, topic is easy, option C, topic is difficult, option D, all of the above. So, what is the answer, champ? In order to know that, we need to know what is discussion method. The discussion method. It's a method in which group discussion techniques are used. That's it. Every method has its own advantages and disadvantages, right? So does this method too. Now, let's look at the advantages of this discussion method. Ready? In group discussion method, you will develop new imaginative solutions to a given problem. It stimulates you to use and apply whatever that you have learned. And as a teacher, you can use this method to discuss complicated and controversial topics. As a teacher, you can use this method as an assessment of assessing how well the student understood the concept and principles. Also, you can use this method to promote alternative thinking in students and stimulate interest and participation too. Now, the disadvantages of this discussion method. Of course, it's time consuming. It requires highly skilled instructor to guide the group. Also, not many people can participate in the group. It requires prior preparation from the students about the topic in order to discuss better. So, with this information, let's take an informed guess. First, let's look at option B. Topic is easy. That's wrong because discussion method works efficiently when the topic is difficult and complicated. Option D, all of the above, is wrong because it doesn't make any sense. Here is the tricky part within option A or option C. The topic is very difficult or the topic is difficult. What would be the right one? Please keep in mind that if the topic is too difficult, the student require prior standard learning like lecture or taking a tutorial. Option A, the topic is very difficult, is wrong one. So option C is the answer. Got it? Good.